So uh, right now we are going to do question for. So now we are going to change our working directory root, and then the task is renaming this file old school to new school. So now we are still at the same directory. We're still going to work in the same directory root. Therefore, we access our sandbox, click webterm. So now we are going to change our working directory to root. You can do that by simply typing cd, then hit enter. You're already at the root. Display the list of files which is in this directory. Typing ls. These are the files we have in this root directory. So our task is to rename the file old school new school. So therefore, how are we going to rename this? We're going to do this by we're going to use this command mv old school and then the name you're renaming it to, the new name you're giving this file. And the new name is new school underscore. You see, mv can use this mv to move a file from one folder to another, or I mean from one directory to another. And at the same time, you can use the mv command to rename a file, to give a file a new name. Therefore, you're renaming old school to new school. Enter. Cross check. Use ls. Enter. You see that here we had old school, but now after completing this task, renaming old school to new school, now old school is no more in the root directory. Then what we have is a new school. So let's go ahead and cross check our work. Yes, everything is okay. Our code here has no error. There's no error in our code. We move to the next question, which is not here. Change your working directory to root, then move the file not here to tmp write school. In other words, this question is telling us, this statement is telling us to rename. Hold on. This statement is telling us to move the file not here to write school. Therefore, this is a file. Write school is a file, and as I told you previously, tmp becomes a folder. See this? /tmp/write file, meaning that this is a folder, this is a directory, and write school is a file. So that's for the instruction, and open our sandbox. Change our working directory to root. Enter. press to move the file not here to tmp school. So initially we had not here in the current directory root, which is root. So we are going to do the same. We're going to use the same code that we used here. Old school, renaming old school to new school. Now let's go ahead. Remove what's the name of the file? Not here to MP school. MP not here. Here. Right school slash tmp slash right school right school. That's what to do. Hit enter. First new school. That's like tmp directory. I can't see it. But let's go ahead and we check our code if what we have done is correct. You see? Here we are unable to move to the directory tmp. See? So meaning that we have been denied access. Or tmp has been hidden from us. So there's no way you can access it, but see? Everything is okay here. Right? Don't worry about that. Go ahead to not anymore, the fourth, which is the fourth question. So here we are required to delete the file ready to be removed. So we open our sandbox. Type cd. To remove a file, use the command rm. The name of the file ready to be removed. Ready to be removed. Let's check our code. Okay. Everything is correct. Get to the next question. We're going to create a new directory. This school is amazing. School is amazing. We're going to use this mkdir, create a new directory. School is amazing. School is amazing. Let's check the code. There. Our code had no. We are going to require to remove the empty directory in our sandbox. Then